so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, Where America Goes for Funding. I appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching the channel with Angelo Christian tonight. Give us a call or text our office, 832-431-6331. It's Where America Goes for Funding, your direct nationwide lender. Every week we do our Talk with Angelo Live, and we're getting ready to roll into Christmas Eve tomorrow. So wanted to discuss some of the new latest updates, what's going on in the market, real estate, funding, credit, all of that stuff that we always talk about on our channel. So appreciate all of you guys tuning in and watching us before the Christmas holiday break. Don't forget, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. You can call or text our office, 832-431-6331. You can also click on the link down below to subscribe to enable notifications if you want any more information about our programs, what we do, all of that stuff. Call or text. There's no contract to get started. There's no hard credit check. There's no cost for enrollment. The links are down below to get signed up. Tonight we're talking about the Doctor Loan Program, a brand new program that we're getting ready to roll out for 2026. We are accepting applications for it now. So we're going to discuss what this doctor program is, what the benefits are, the requirements, the opportunity. So those of you guys that don't know, there are special programs for people that have certain careers, whether you're a physician, you're in law enforcement, you're a veteran. A lot of the investors, lenders, government agencies have created loan products around people's careers and what they do for a living, because they obviously give and help society, they help people. And so these lenders and investors have created these products, such as us, that we make the loans and originate those loans to offer back. This program tonight is for physicians. And so the way it works is, if you're a physician, you can get 100% financing to be able to buy your home with no money down, no mortgage insurance, up to a $2 million loan amount. And it's an awesome program if you're a physician. So there's many different type of loan programs out there for many different occupations. This one is specifically catered for a physician. If you're a medical doctor, then you have the opportunity. If you're trying to purchase your primary, it has to be your primary residence, and it can be anywhere in the United States with the exception of the state of New York. And if your credit score is 680 or higher, and it's a single family home, or a townhome, or a condo, you can purchase your home up to the $2 million loan amount with 100% financing, no mortgage insurance. Now, this is a fully documented loan. This is not a private mortgage. It's not for investment properties. It's not a no documentation. It's not DSCR. The minimum loan amount is $500,000. That's the minimum loan amount, and the maximum is $2 million. So if you have a 680, your middle credit score has to be 680 or higher. So you have 3 credit scores, most people do. If your middle credit score is 680 or higher, then you're in. Obviously, the higher the credit score, the better terms you're going to get. There is no mortgage insurance on these loans. Interest rates are starting around between 6.5%. For these are 30-year fixed loans. These are not adjustable rates. They're not balloons. They're not bridge loans. There's no prepayment penalty. The maximum debt to income ratio is 41%. Obviously, if you have your student loans deferred, we can possibly accept that, depending on the type of student loan deferment that you have. Obviously, this is information. We are the lender that makes the loan, and we have to do a enrollment with you, an application to go through your file, to go deeper into it, to determine credit approval. There's your initial pre-approval, your loan commitment, and your loan cleared to close. So we have to go through that whole process, and everyone's situation is different with the type of employment they get, the contract, their student loans. I'm giving you the general guidelines, what the criteria is, and then we can go through it with you together to figure it out. We can get you approved for the loan, and then once we get you approved for the loan, then you can either take that approval letter with your to go purchase a brand new home, an existing home, any home that's the house has to be habitable. This is not for fixer-uppers. It's not for ground-up construction where you get a construction loan. You can buy a brand new home from a builder, that's fine, and you can get 100% financing. So I want to, explain, how it works, so that way you're aware. Because the whole thing about getting a mortgage and getting approved and everything is knowing what the qualifications are and then building out your situation for success so you can actually qualify for the loan. Okay. So that's why I always talk about what is the opportunity, what's the requirements, what do you got to go through to get there, so that way you know, and we work on it with you together, so that way you can actually qualify for the loan so you are successful. Because we don't charge any upfront fees. We only get paid if your loan closes. So we have a very high vested interest to make sure that your loan closes, because we're not going to get paid otherwise. And of course, the bigger thing is we care that you're accomplishing your goal and your dream of either refinancing, home ownership, whatever you're trying to do. And we're on a mission with you to make that happen. So we're just not flying blindly when we're putting this together. We have a very specific criteria, the guidelines to qualify for this loan, and it's a great product. I mean, where else can you get 30-year fix, no mortgage insurance, 100% financing, low fixed rate mortgages down to a 680 credit score, whether you're trying to buy, like I said, a single family home, a town home, a condo, any of the above. So it's a great program to be able to help you guys out there. And we offer this, like I said, we are accepting applications. You can call or text us, 832-431-6331, or you can go on the link down below to get signed up for enrollment. There is no hard credit check. Once you fill that out, our lenders or one of our senior lenders will be contacting you within 24 hours to have a meeting with you, kind of assess your situation, go over the goals, what the opportunity is, the process, and then just work on building that. If you need help with the realty, we also do the realty as well. We can help you to get the closing costs included with our realtors. We've got a lot of incentives with that. You can get your closing costs included, get the 100% financing, get up to 2 months no house payments after closing. So if you want more information, obviously, what's the minimum credit score for USDA? Right now for USDA, the minimum credit score is 620. So good question, Eric. So yeah, if you have any other questions, you want more information, obviously reach out to us. Please don't be a stranger. Call, text our office if you want more information about the doctor program. Again, this is if you are a medical doctor. We'll have all the description and all the requirements for the type of doctors that are allowed for this. There's a very specific set of medical professional doctors, and that'll be in the link down in the description down below. But it's a great opportunity. Like I said, we're happy to be able to offer this, and it's starting, great way to end the year, great way to start the year. And like I said, the minimum loan amount is 500,000, maximum 2 million. So please reach out. Don't hesitate. Give Angelo Christian a call if you want more information about the doctor 100% financing program, up to $2 million. Call or text my office, 832-431-6331. And thank you guys. I hope you have a Merry Christmas with your family. Take care. Be safe out there. God bless America. We'll see y'all next week. Peace out. Bye-bye.